Let's make this paneer in just 2 hours. So for that, you need a pan, and I'm using a whole milk gallon, and I'm just gonna boil it. So I keep my flame to medium heat. Make sure you stir it in between so that it doesn't stick to the pan. So we are almost there. It's a little bit foamy now, and also bubbles are forming. Alright, so now I'm gonna add vinegar here. So you can also use lime juice if you want to, but I like to use vinegar because I don't get that weird smell that I get with the lime. So I'm using this white vinegar. So slowly I'm gonna add 6 tablespoon big spoon of vinegar here, and as I'm adding, I'm just keep stirring. And as you can see, slowly it's gonna separate, the paneer gonna separate from water. So this is how it's gonna look like when it's done. And then I'm gonna turn off my flame, and I'm gonna transfer this paneer. Alright, so this is how I usually do. I take this polyester cloth. You can also use a cheesecloth if you want to. So I take this paneer out like that. So right now it's very hot, so that's why I'm not gonna squeeze this water out. I'm just gonna hang this cloth on my cabinet's door right here like that, just making couple knots there, and I'm just gonna let it sit for about maybe like a 20 to 25 minutes or until it's a little bit cool down. So now it's been sitting here for about like 20 minutes, and then now I'm gonna squeeze all the water out. It's still a little bit hot, so I'm trying not to squeeze a lot, but now I'm gonna take a strainer. I'm gonna put that paneer on strainer, and then I'm adding a dish or something like that on my paneer, and then I put a weight on it. So I let it sit for about like 2 hours. Alright, so now I take everything out. Make sure you clean everything before you put it away. So I take the paneer out of that cloth, and this is how it looks like. I like everybody loves this paneer in my home, so I just am gonna cut this, and it cuts very perfectly, just like we buy from outside. But when we buy paneer from outside, it's very chewy and it's not that good. I mean, so that's why I like to make my paneer at home, and it's very soft. You can make so many good recipes out of this. So if you guys really like this video, go ahead and give a thumbs up to this video, and also subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below, and I will see you next time for my another easy recipes. Bye.